Hey guys, it's me, Purple, and for today I'm going to be doing this fake empty. So let's get started. Take off your glasses and let's get a fake art. First I'm going to be applying liquid foundation of Lancome. It's to be so fun!
Hindi na nila alam kung saan pumunta.
Umaapila naman ang lokal na pamahalaan sa mga nakatira sa palibot ng bulkan na tumulong para matiyak na walang makakaakyat sa mayon. Rayo Melan, patrol ng Pilipino sa Legazpi.
You don't need to make anything sweaty from your face. The first thing that you need to do is you're going to be applying this blush on. First I have to do fake makeup tutorial. So next I'm going to be applying this liquid foundation, this white shimmering eyeshadow, also from Lancome, and it's so fun. Apply that all over your face, even in the brow bone and everywhere.
Hey, Manay. Oo, nagkain ka rin. Hindi na daw sabi natin Neneng.
So after that,
Kinuha kanina kay Toto yan. Kasi kumain siya nung kanina. Opo, hapon. Opo, pinainit po.
Hindi na daw magsasain?
Sabi natin Neneng, huwag na daw.
so next I'm gonna be applying liquid foundation.
Nagbi-video.
Yes.
Maliliit daw po sa atin yan.
Dadala naman siyang pagkain.
Baka po siguro.
So next, after that, I already contoured my nose.
Maya-maya doon.
So next, I'm gonna be contouring my eyes.
Naalala ko ngayon kasi kung magsasain.
Dark eye circles? No. So then next, I'm gonna be applying this lip gloss. Lip liner.
Tapos, level 10!
Then after that, I'm gonna be putting this now ready your hair here, and now you're ready. So hope you guys enjoyed my first fake makeup tutorial. This is already for vlog number 2, so tomorrow it's vlog number 3. So hope you guys enjoy. So bye.